What's up, guys? Welcome back to Isley's TV show. Today I have a very special guest, Kenzee. Hello. This is her first time in one of my videos. I know I have other friends in my videos a lot, but we're gonna have lots of people now. And we are gonna show y'all all her fidgets. Take a while. Yeah, it's gonna take a while, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's get started. Oh, also she gave me this squishy lizard. Squishy, stretchy. Okay, that's all. Okay. Well, she gave me more. Okay. We're gonna start off with like little things. Okay. Like pop, like baby pop-ups or something. Can I show them this? What's the first thing you're gonna show them? That. Okay. Okay. We have the fidgets we're gonna show y'all. Okay, show them. I'm gonna pop it all. I got it on my graduation. And then she has this hamster. Guinea pig. Oh my gosh, why do I keep calling it a hamster? Yeah, it's full with like little tiny beads of some sort. And I really like this. I have my own, actually. Yep, I gave it to her. I named all of them. So that one right there is named Mario because I actually have 2 guinea pigs. Yo, let's go show you. Let's show you guys. We're gonna go show you the guinea pigs, then we'll come back. Yeah. Hello. There's Mario. No. He's scared. Where's Luigi? He's in there. Luigi, man! Luigi. Come here. The treats? Treats. Okay. He doesn't want to sit. Okay, whatever. Yeah. Let's just leave. Okay, we're going to show you the next fidget. Okay, I'm going to show them. Okay. What are you going to show them? You show them
Okay.
first.
So mine is something from Claire's. So it's really fun. It's a pop-it spinner. It doesn't really spin as much as it used to because I left it out in the rain. So definitely not as good as it used to be.
Okay, my turn. Okay, so she has this stress ball, and look when you squeeze it. I love this so much. Okay. We're gonna make this starting right there.
Ow! I went like that.
Okay, we'll see when we pick up the next one. Okay, we picked it out. You show them first.
Okay. So we both got poppets, but I am gonna show you this what's this thing called?
Puppet.
Yeah, puppet. What is this animal called?
Godzilla.
Godzilla. It's not that. I don't even know what this. It's a little like black thingamajiggy right here, and I don't know what it is. It's weird.
I'll show you.
It's so weird.
What is that, guys?
I don't know what it is.
Comment down below if you know what it is.
Okay.
So she has this. Oh, it's pretty big, but it's not a jumbo. A big butterfly poppet Big.
Yeah, it's very big.
Big. Okay. Yeah. That. And big puppets are like bendy. This is really bendy.
Yeah. And it's a butterfly.
Okay. We'll see when we get the next one. We got our items. And look at this cute mochi. And this is the squishiest mochi ever. It's so squishy. My gosh. And it's this cute little dog.
Little poodle.
Poodle. Okay, it's super squishy. A water timer.
A water timer. I usually actually use this for homework.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. My mom was like, you can use it for homework. I was like, what do you mean? I was like, you can use it as a timer. I was like, so weird.
Okay. We'll see when we pick. You know the drill. Okay, we got spike balls. There's pink
And rainbow. I also have 2 other ones.
Yeah, don't
Yellow.
Okay.
I had 2.
Okay, we got our items. Who's going first?
You.
Okay. She has this mini blue monkey noodle.
Monkey. I got a Tangle. Actually, if you didn't know this, you can actually take the whole entire thing apart. Like each individual thing. So this is actually not the colors that it was actually like. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna have to walk away.
Got our next one. We both
My
did a
shirt.
mochi. And they're
My
both
shirt.
cats.
My shirt.
Okay.
My shirt's too tiny.
Okay. Show them.
Ow!
You go first. You go first.
I got a fat cat mochi. It's very, very
I
fat.
got
Yeah.
I got this cat that's laying down.
Who cares about the thing cat?
Yeah. Okay, we got our next items. You go first. Okay. Puzzle ball.
This is my weapon.
Okay. Show them. Show
Puzzle
them.
ball.
And I just farted.
Puzzle ball.
And I got a llama puppet. And it's
Why am I dancing on the floor?
Panda.
I'm dancing on the floor.
Call me Shasha.
Wait, what?
Okay. That's.
He says
Oh, why
hello.
did I put that up there? It's supposed to go
He
under
says
here.
hello.
Okay. We got our next items.
I love it. I'm not
Okay.
leaving.
I
have a puppet.
Baby Yoda puppet.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we got this unicorn. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really glittery. And it glows in the dark. So we're going to actually check because it used to, but it stopped. We're going to see if it does.
Closet.
No, turn the lights off.
Carson was staring at me. Wait, I need to turn off my bed lights. Now! Off.
It's not going to be
Still not
dark.
dark enough. Why do we have the most randomest things? Bed lights. Ow, my arm hurts.
Why are you opening that?
I'm not opening it. I'm not opening it. Closing it. Oh my god, that's as far as it goes? Wow. Some bad quality. Bad quality!
Yeah, right now. We'll try at the end of the video.
Or under my bed. Oh no. No, that's creepy. Yo,
Okay.
Why am I sitting like
I
this?
got this tie-dye fidget spinner. Pop it.
Okay.
This is really good.
You
pop,
brought?
but-
By the sound of that, you probably know what it is. Popped it.
Spotlight. Okay, we got our next. You go first.
Okay. I have a apple squishy. Random hole in it. Like, seriously. What?
Okay, that goes right there.
No. You do that when I say you can't do something.
And I got this little lizard. It's purple and it's stretchy.
Stretcher. That's what you just said.
Stretchy. You know the drill.
Yeah.
We both got a puppy.
Uh-huh.
I got this blue baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda. What am I doing right now? Puzzle. So boring.
Okay, we're done for this video. We're done for this video today. Okay.
It's not.
Yeah, there's nothing else cool to show them. Yeah. Okay. So
Yes. More puzzles.
Isley out and
Kenzee. I don't know.
Bye. Oh, comment down below if you have one of these fidgets. Bye.
Water. Oh, okay.
Bye.